Luxury living in one of Williamsburg's newer 55-plus older communities, which is currently sold out. Built in 2023, this like-new Palladio Floorplan home is a masterpiece of main-level living with a gourmet kitchen, upgraded cabinets, west/down lighting, subway tile backsplash, extra-large island, quartz counters, double ovens, gas cooking, and walk-in pantry. Large open dining and family room, west/gas fireplace, west/slatesurround, deluxe primary bedroom, west/large walk-in closet and ensuite bath, west/Roman shower, versatile flex space that can be converted toanother bedroom, full bath and guest bedroom. Lovely screened-in porch, west/decorative fence, amazing flower beds, plants, planters, trees, hedging rocks and trellis. Amenities include a pool, clubhouse, walking trails, dog park and bocce ball courts. BuiltSmart Certified. October 21, 2024.